Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode corporate filings so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into Astria Therapeutics' latest Form 8K. Get ready because it looks like they're talking about their year-end financials, and it may not be what they hoped for. Astria Therapeutics just dropped their financial results for the last quarter of 2024 and the entire year. This report is a quick snapshot of their performance and what they are saying. The report starts with the announcement that on March 11, 2025, Astria Therapeutics released their financial numbers for the quarter and year that ended in December. These findings were shared in a press release, which is included as an exhibit. Let's jump into the heart of the matter, the results of their operations and financial health. This is where we see if the company made money, lost money, and where it sees the company going. Scroll common stock $0.01 par. Value per share /scroll. Before diving into the financials, let's talk about the company itself. Astria Therapeutics is traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol ATXS. They're in the business of developing medicines specifically for rare diseases, so they are a company that is working on new medicines that can change lives. Scroll the full text of the press release issued in connection with the announcement /scroll. The details of their performance are in the press release attached as an exhibit to this report. This is important because it gives us the official view of the company on how they performed. Now let's dig deeper. Operating expenses for the year were around $126 million. This covers all the costs of running the business, excluding the direct costs of making a product. Since they are a research company that makes drugs and they are currently in the development stage, they do not have direct costs associated with product manufacturing. A big chunk of that, nearly $108 million, went straight into research and development. That's where they spend money on making the medicines that can change lives and bring in big profits if a drug is successful. It's what pharmaceutical companies spend on the experimentation and the building of drugs. It is not surprising since this is a biotech company. General and administrative expenses, which are the costs of running the company such as salaries and office spaces, came in at $17.5 million for the year. Here's the tough part. Astria reported a net loss of $124.3 million for the year. Companies can make money or lose money, and if it is the latter, it is called a loss. That's a big number, and it means they spent significantly more than they earned. Remember that they have no product revenue at this stage. They have a solid cash position with $414.3 million in cash equivalents, and marketable securities at the end of the year. It's always good to have a lot of cash, and especially important for a company that is making a loss. According to the report, they believe this is enough to keep them going for at least the next 2 years. Now, what does this mean for Astria? Well, they're clearly investing heavily in research and development, hoping to bring new treatments to market. The big loss isn't ideal, but their cash reserves give them some breathing room to continue their work. They are also burning through it, so it is likely that they will try to raise more in the future. Astria is burning through a lot of cash, but that's common for biotech companies in the drug development phase. The hope is that one or more of their drugs will hit it big, bringing in enough revenue to make up for all the losses. So what's my take on Astria Therapeutics? They are clearly investing a lot into research and development, and that's where they are choosing to put their money. The market could go up or down, but they are hoping that investing in the science will get them a win. The road ahead for Astria has potential, but they've got to manage that cash burn carefully. It will be interesting to see if they can turn their research into revenue-generating products in the coming years. That's all for today's Corporate Decoder. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings.